Welcome, and thank you for joining me in this moment of stillness and peace. Today, we're gifting ourselves the opportunity to unplug from the noise of the external world and reconnect with the gentle presence within us. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. If you're sitting, rest your hands gently on your knees. You may choose to place your fingers in Jnana Mudra, connecting the thumb and index finger, or simply allow your palms to rest open, welcoming peace. If you're lying down, ensure you remain alert and present. Take a deep breath in, feeling the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest. And as you exhale, release everything you've been holding on to, stress, tension, or worry. Let it all melt away with your breath. Feel your body grounded and supported by the surface beneath you. Notice how each breath roots you more deeply into this present moment. Let's take a few more deep breaths together. Inhale deeply, and as you do, imagine drawing in a sense of calm and clarity. Hold that breath gently for a moment. Now, exhale slowly, releasing anything that no longer serves you. It's natural for thoughts to arise, for your mind to wander. But in this space, you are in control. With kindness, gently guide your attention back to your breath, a steady, calming rhythm that anchors you here and now. Take another deep inhale, and this time, visualize the air you breathe in as a soft, golden light. Let it fill your lungs and radiate throughout your body. As you exhale, picture this light carrying away any lingering stress or tension. As your body relaxes further, imagine yourself standing in a serene, beautiful meadow. The grass beneath you is soft and cool. A gentle breeze brushes your face and the air is filled with the scent of flowers. Take a moment to look around this peaceful space. Notice the colors, the sounds, and the sensations. Perhaps you hear birds singing or the rustling of leaves in the wind. Allow yourself to feel completely safe and at ease here. Now, gently shift your focus inward, toward your heart. Place your hands there if it feels right, or simply imagine a warm, glowing light in your chest. With every inhale, allow this light to grow brighter, and with every exhale, feel it expanding outward, filling your entire being with warmth and compassion. Repeat this mantra with me. I am safe, I am loved, I am whole. Let these words settle into every corner of your mind and body, becoming a soft, steady rhythm that guides you. As you settle deeper into this moment, reflect on any challenges or uncertainties in your life. These moments, though difficult, are opportunities for growth, resilience, and transformation. Picture these challenges like storm clouds passing through a clear sky. They may seem overwhelming at first, but they are temporary. The vast open sky, your inner calm, always remains. Observe these clouds from a distance, noticing their shapes and movements. Perhaps you see in them symbols of your fears, thoughts, or doubts. Allow them to drift by, knowing they are not permanent. Now imagine that with each exhale, the wind slowly disperses these clouds. With every breath, the sky grows clearer, and you feel increasingly calm and free. Let's take a moment to deepen this connection with a practice of gratitude. Bring to mind something simple that you're thankful for: the breath that sustains you, the strength to show up for yourself in this moment, or the beauty of being alive. Allow your gratitude to flow naturally, without judgment or expectation. Thank you for my breath. Thank you for my strength. Thank you for this moment. Let your heart guide the rest of your affirmations, allowing whatever feels meaningful to arise naturally. As you sit with this feeling of gratitude, imagine your entire body surrounded by a golden light, a light of love, peace, and healing. This light is always within you, ready to support you in any moment of need. Take a moment now to expand this light beyond yourself. Imagine it radiating outward, touching those around you, then spreading further to your community, your country, and finally the entire world. You are connected to all living beings through this shared light. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, notice how your body feels: lighter, calmer, more at ease. When you're ready, slowly bring yourself back to the space around you. Wiggle your fingers, move your toes, and stretch gently if it feels right. Open your eyes when you feel ready, carrying this sense of gratitude and calm with you as you move through the rest of your day. Remember, the peace you felt here is always within you. All it takes is a moment to pause, breathe, and return to yourself. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. May you be blessed with love, strength, and joy. Namaste. If you enjoyed this meditation, I invite you to explore more practices like this on our channel, Awareness Now. Subscribe and join our growing community of mindfulness and peace.